If the admin has generated an invoice and has already shared the invoice with the associated family, but the family is yet to do the payment, so the admin can cancel that invoice anytime. If the admin suppose they want to cancel an invoice, what they can do is from the all invoices page, you can see that in the table, all the invoices which have been generated from the platform would be shown. Suppose the admin wants to cancel this invoice, as you can see that in the status, it doesn't say paid yet. It still says sent, which means that the family hasn't paid for this invoice. So the admin can do it in two ways. One way is that the admin can select this drop down. Here, the admin can either update the status if the invoice has already been paid, or they can click on cancel. They would be asked a confirmation. Once they confirm, this invoice would be cancelled. In the second way, the admin can click on the invoice ID. They would be taken to the invoice details page. From here, at the bottom, you can see that there are two buttons, save changes and cancel. So the admin can click on cancel. The confirmation module will get triggered. Once the admin cancels it, this invoice would stand cancel and the status would get updated as cancelled. In case the admin wants to make any changes to this, suppose they want to make a different due date for this invoice, they can click on this icon. They can choose a different due date. Once they've changed that, they can click on the Save Changes button, and then the due date would get updated. So since the admin wants to cancel this, they'll click on Cancel. They can confirm the cancellation. Once they've confirmed, you can see that the status for this invoice has been updated as cancelled. So this is how the admin can cancel an invoice which hasn't already been paid by the family.